Hey guys, Moshe the Electric Israeli is here. Today we're going to install mud flaps for my 2021 Model Y. Here are some of the tools that you may want to use. Basically, I lay down the flaps around the car. Now, installing these flaps is good for if you are living in a snowy area. We live in northern New Jersey. We get a lot of snow here. And also if you like to go to off-roading, if you like to go into nature, mud roads and all that, this is really good for that. It will protect that. I have it on my Model 3. Now, you have those caps. In the front, there are two. In the back, there are two, and there's also two screws. I'll show you in a minute. So you can use that tool. It depends how stuck they are, or maybe you will have to use the a flathead screwdriver, which I did. So you basically take them out, those, and then you will replace them with caps that come with the flaps with the EVBASE send you. You install it, you put the cap, and then you put like a plastic screw. They don't look so sturdy, but they hold. I have them in my other cars, and they hold very, very long. So you basically put the one in the front. The one in the front, it's always easier. Now you may want to turn the wheel to the right direction so you have more access. So you going to do that, and then you will you will do that, and then you will put the screw inside. The screw should work. It should go in, and sometimes you can squeeze it, and sometimes you use a hammer. I use the hammer to get it in. Now in the back you have this is from the bottom actually. So this is from the bottom. You use that little wrench to turn it. It has to turn a lot in order for you to start using your fingers. So if you get a good grip on it, you can do. This tool will do. Okay, it will do. It's fine. It's not a problem. And it takes a couple minutes until you actually aim it and find it. And once you do, it is really an easy one to get. Some people use a wrench, like those socket wrench, which is very good. But I basically use the tools that come with it to show you that you don't have to buy new old set of tools to unscrew this. And see, once you get a grip on it, it will turn. And I try to use my fingers to complete the turn, but you have to go all the way around. It's very easy to use the socket wrench if you have it. If you don't have to spend money to buy just for this. So it's fine. So you see, you take it out, nice. There's a nice hole, and then you use you see, that is the top. That is from the top. That's the one that you unscrew and screw by hand. It's very easy. It's made out of plastic. Okay, so you do that. I always start from the top so it holds, and then see that, so it holds the whole flap, and then you will go to the bottom to put back here it is. You go to the bottom to put the screw in the bottom to hold it from the. So you hold it from the top so it hangs. And then the bottom, here's I'm showing you from the bottom, okay? And here you have to, like a wrench socket would be really great. But like I said, you can use the tools that EVBASE send you. Now, if you want to buy this, you can use my link and you will get a nice discount, okay? I get all my accessories from EVBASE. I got so many things from EVBASE. They are really awesome, and you get the delivery very, very quickly. So the bottom and the top is what you want. If you use my link, you can use the code TEI, the Electric Israeli, and you will get a discount. Okay, so sometimes the one in the back doesn't get in with your finger. Maybe it's the angle. I use the hammer, and it will eventually go in. Here they are all installed. It's beautiful. They're very, very nice. They fit right in. They're really nice. And also they protect your car from mud and snow and all kinds of stuff. I mean, it's really, really good. Really, really good. Then you take your car and you give it a nice car wash, and it is ready to go. Okay, so use my code TI. I'll put the link for you in the embedded in the video, and you do it. I would say it take about 15 minutes, not even 15 minutes, because I had to film, so it took me a little longer, but 15 minutes and you're all in. It's really, really easy. Thank you guys for watching, and go get it and get some discount.